Aloha folks, Chris Macwold here with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Today's the next episode in our series of open house walkthroughs. Today we're going to visit a listing of one of my good friends with Corcoran Pacific Properties. Her name's Deborah Thompson, and she's been so gracious as to let us do this video for you so you can see this amazing listing that she has in the Mauna Lani Resort at the Golf Villas. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,460 square feet. As a homeowner here, you have the ability to use the amenities like there's a great beach club with a great little restaurant called Napua, a nice sand beach that's semi-private for the homeowners and their guests. So let's go take a look. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed that. Beautiful little condo, great little 2-bedroom. Deborah has it listed at $1,250,000 currently. So real good value. It's a very popular vacation rental property as well, so you can make some income on it when you're not using it. Remember, if you or anyone you know wants to buy, sell, or invest in real estate here on the Big Island of Hawaii, you can reach out to us at the number on your screen or at thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.